Hello at welcome ulit sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, this episode is another no cooking episode. Kasi nga parang naisip ko lang, parang I just wanted to share mga few recipes na no cooking. Actually, napakadali. It's actually fruit salad. This week kasi, basically, I'm supposed to facilitate a training. At that day, color coding ako. So, sabi ko kung pwede dito na lang sa bahay gawin. Kasi konti lang naman kami. So, yung dessert nila is fruit salad. Anyway, there's nothing special about my fruit salad. But there is a special story. I remember when I was in, I think high school ba kami? First year high school ata ako or grade 7. Meron ako isang classmate, si Maan de Ocampo. Hello, Maan. Shout out sa'yo. Absent siya. Parang there was one home economics class na kailangan gumawa kami ng recipe. Hindi siya gumawa ng recipe kasi nga absent siya or may nakalimutan. For some reason, pinayagan siya. So the week after, nag-demo siya sa buong class and dinemo niya to, which was fruit salad. Kaya ito yung recipe na ide-demo ko. Na natutunan ko, wala naman akong choice, siya lang ang nagde-demo. Shout out to Maan de Ocampo. But with this, I don't recall if she added peaches. But with me, basically, I just want to add peaches. So, ang ginawa ko, I already drained some of our fruit salad, but I wanted it to be more, parang iba-ibang fruits, no? I'm adding some peaches. So, I don't want it all to be cubed. That's why I'm slicing it medyo strips, di ba? Nothing fancy, no? But thin slices of peaches. Ewan ko, malalike ni mga episode ng mga no-cook. I think, lalo na sa mga chikiting natin, it's something you can make them do. Remember, we featured other recipes na no-cook. I think it's a perfect way to start introducing the kitchen sa mga bata. So basically, what I really recall, I'm not sure if she even put condensed milk, but what I clearly recall is she added cheese. Kasi in our home, like my mom's recipe, we always added nata de coco. So sa kanya, it's my first time to see with cheese. So it really intrigued me. And what I liked about it is, mas nagkaroon ng body, yung fruit salad, para siyang thick to the bite, yung hindi very light. In a way, nakakabusog. You can also add fresh fruits. Like kung meron kayong apples, pineapple, feel free to add that. Ang amin lang is, we add condensed milk. And then I add all-purpose cream. And then some cheese. And that's it. We just chill it, serve it, and we're done. Gusto ko lang medyo busog na busog ang ating fruit salad. When I say busog na busog, yung konti lang talaga yung cream. So, na-drain natin to. Huwag nating tatapunin ang juice, no, or yung syrup. Because you can use it. You can actually glaze your bacon with this. You can make it into juice. Lagyan mo lang ng parang konting crushed pineapples. Pwede mo na yung gawing juice. Okay? Si Vicky, hindi niya matanggap na yung cream na gagamitin ko, konti lang. Gusto niya marami akong cream gamitin. And I refused to. In fact, sa mami ko, sa bahay naman namin, ayaw niya ng condensed milk. She doesn't put it. So talagang, fruits lang. And then she added fresh fruits. So parang yung natural sweetness ng fresh fruits na hinahalo, yun yung matamis. But for me, I do. I add, so it's probably half a cup. There. We are going to add. The cheese that we added is Danes, yung pasteurized cheese lang. So when I say pasteurized cheese, hindi ito yung cheese na nakikita nyo sa refrigerator section ng grocery. Ito yung nakikita natin sa shelf. We are just going to coat this with cream. Yan, ganun lang siya kadali. Yun. So basically, ayoko lang nung yung proportion ng cream. Alam mo yung parang ang laki-laki ng space na puti bago maging fruit. So gusto ko lang siya mukha siyang busog ng prutas. So yan. This, what you will do is you will refrigerate this and serve it ready for Friday. And there you go. It's so simple, di ba? Fruit salad ng kusina ni Mrs. O, inspired by my high school classmate, si Maan. Na may cheese. But ganun lang siya ka-simple. Iiwan ko lang siya sa ref. Anytime yung mga kids yung gusto ng something sweet, this is much, much healthier than chocolates, or chips even, or all of those sweet things that we buy. So put it in your ref, spoon it out, and then they could just eat it as a sweet snack. Sometimes pag kumakain tayo na gusto natin na nakakaumay, gusto lang tanggalin yung panglasa na matamis, this is perfect for that. Fruit salad, You can add more fresh fruits if you wish, but personally, I added canned. So I used canned fruit cocktail and canned peaches with condensada, cream, and cheese. So here you go, fruit salad here at Kusina ni Mrs. O. Thank you for watching and see you soon! Hindi siya ganun ka-icky-sweet because of the cheese. Kulang na lang malamig. Pero, tamang-tama. Not icky-sweet, just right.